Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all the gems in Dress to Impress's latest treasure hunt update. So you can either turn on the lanterns now or later. I will just turn it on now. So that's one here. And then I think there's another one here too. And then if you go to this island, there is the third one. And then fourth, hopefully I remember where the last one is. And then the fifth one is somewhere over the rainbow. That's one, two, where's the other one? Hold on, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot where it is. 4. Is it on an island somewhere? I'm struggling so much with this quest, honestly guys. I'm not even joking. Oh, it's here. Okay. So the last one is behind the pool floaty. And a gem has been revealed. You're going to grab, this is where the first gem is, by the way. So the first gem. The second one, I'll just go here near the dressing rooms. And you're just going to kind of jump here. And then a gem has been revealed and you're going to get that. The third one is here on the runway. You're going to turn all the lights red. And then a gem has been revealed again. You're going to grab that. 2 more gems. You're going to go to the back of the house. Grab the hammer. Did I grab it already? I think I did. Okay. Then you're going to go in the house. Go right. Break the piggy bank. Okay, you'll need to break it a couple of times. Grab the coin. And then go to the greenhouse. Put the coin in the fountain and you'll get your 4th gem. For the last gem, you're going to go to the dining room. You're going to grab this book here. Did I get it? And you're going to go to the classroom. Return it here, place book. And then you are going to, take the gem. Don't forget that. Sorry. And then you'll need to return to the cave to get the prize. So let's open the door. Then kind of do the obby here until you reach this area and press claim. That is it. You've unlocked this doll. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.